Hey guys, TechCrunch with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem where on your iPhone on Safari browser you cannot browse this page because it is restricted. So why is this happening? And you might be always trying to allow website every time you go on a different website. This is because there is a restriction on your iPhone, and we're going to show you how to turn that restriction off. So it's going to be really simple and easy to do. First thing is go into your setting of your iPhone, and once you go into your setting of your iPhone, scroll until you find screen time here. And under screen time, you might be prompted to enter a passcode, which is the screen time password, which might be different from your regular passcode to get into your iPhone or to unlock your iPhone. So if you know that, enter that, or if someone knows that set it up, you'll need to enter that. And once you enter that, you go into restrictions here where it says content and privacy restriction. You want to click on that, and then you can go ahead and turn off a restriction completely, but also you want to check out this setting where under content restriction, you click on that. Under web content here, you'll click on that, and once you click on that, what will happen is either the reason why you can't access this certain website is because it's restricted to allow these websites that are listed here. Now, in order for you to be unrestricted, you just select the first option, and now if you go to any website on your Safari browser, just need to reload again, it will be allowed. So you need to just open it up again, close it, and as you can see here, this time the restriction is gone now, and we can browse on any website without getting that page restriction message every time. So I hope this quick little video was helpful. If so, please click the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.